It could be gravel race, but I don't. I use it more as a touring, and I got racks for bike camping.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I bought this bike in 22 and 23. I convinced a buddy of mine from that I met. I met a lot of people in the Chicago Cycling Club
Mm-hmm.
that I still keep in touch and I still ride with.
Mm-hmm.
And I convinced one of them to do some bike camping with me. We just like saw some YouTube videos. It's like, hey, we could do that. I think it's like, I don't commute anymore to work only because I'm at the Jewel right across the street from my house.
Mm-hmm.
So, because they're being really nice to me, and I told them it's like, in the last few years, throw me the Scooby snack. So I do miss it a little bit. I do have a commuter bike that I call. It's just like a single speed that I can lock up anywhere, and I don't feel too bad if
Mm-hmm.
they would just steal it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd still cry a little, but I do have a commuter bike still that I use if I want to do errands or go to a little restaurant or brewery or something
Mm-hmm.
that I can lock outside. But yeah, this one's been more for like trying out this gravel stuff that my friends used to tell me about all the time, and I used to say like, no, that's not for me. That's not for me.
Mm-hmm.
I was like all uppity. He was like, no, that's just gonna get my roadie legs all dirty and stuff. I don't want none of that.